In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. You need to begin by locating Recorder app and clicking on it. Following that, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Settings, and manage all of them before recording however you want to, like quality. When you're done customizing those settings, go back. To start your recording, tap on this red button. If you never used Recorder before, make sure to select Allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same red button. To add a bookmark, unpause it first, and then select tag icon at the bottom left corner. To discard your recording, pause it first, and then click on Delete on the left. Confirm your choice in the pop-up. To save it though, you need to pause it as well, but this time click on Done on the right. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it though, you can hold it and click on Rename option at the bottom, or play it, go back and click on this pen at the bottom of your recording. Either way, type in whatever you wish to and hit Save. To access list of all your recordings from a main recorder screen, click on this button with 3 lines. To delete one of them, hold the chosen one and tap on Delete at the bottom left corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!